In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use PropWire for wholesaling. So in order to use this, you first need to head over right here to PropWire.com, enter right here the location that you're looking for as well as the lead types and search. If you don't have an account yet, proceed to click onto this sign up option or to this login option if you already have one. So on my case, I already have, so click onto this login option in order to proceed. I have in here my actual PropWire dashboard. Into this, we first need to generate a lead list. Select in here your target area. I have selected New York. And then for the filters, choose right here the lead types as well as the property types you want. On my case, I'll head over and choose right here vacant homes as well as other option like absentee owners. So I have in here this list. So what we can do is we can head over and then contact the seller. You can do so by clicking on a particular property, and then from in there you can head over to the market or history. Here is a preview of how that looks like right there. Click onto the owner option, and in here it will give you the full name as well as the mailing address for that. You can do some traces as well as contact the owner directly from here. They also have in here some phone numbers that you can get. Now, in order to generate a lead list, just select everything that you want. Select in here the page on my case. Click onto this icon right here. And after that, click onto this download or click onto this save to a list. You can see right here the list of owners, square feet, equities, as well as estimated values of those properties. So from in there, you can just get the list and then have it and send it as wholesale. Find a cash buyer and close the deal directly from here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need.